You know, I just woke up. Ben just called me. He said, hey, come out. I was like, no. He was like, we have a Ferrari. I was like, maybe. He was like, they might let you drive it. I was like, But I got up, started playing some Xbox, just playing some Call of Duty, which I'll have gameplay on that. But then I said, you know what? I'm going out later on tonight anyway. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go get my bike ready because I'm going to a scooter meet. So I got a head mount for my GoPro. We're going to take this camera. We're going to go check out the Ferrari. Maybe drive it. Go do shenanigans with them. Then go to the scooter meet. And yeah.
All right, we're going to make this interesting.
Ben, what do you got for me?
You got a choice, all right? Choice number
I don't want that. What's that?
Choice number one is, yeah, fuck it. Here, take the Ferrari key.
It's his car. That guy right there in the blue, his car. Can I open it?
Go ahead.
I can open. Hold on. Now you know I'm broke because I don't know how to open it. Is it unlocked? Excuse me. Don't mind if I. Ah! He's got the red guts. Wow. It smells. It smells like Italian. Can I sit in it? I can sit in it.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Hold on. Oh my God! The air conditioning feels better! Red guts! Red guts! He's got Voss water and Fiji water! Red guts! I'm sweating profusely and the AC is on. Alright, they told me to see if I knew how to start it, but I'm a trained professional, so I'm gonna assume, hold on, foot on the brake. Ah! Oh my God! The car's on! Oh my God! They gave me the keys! Yeah, red gutsa! Red gutsa! Ah! Wow. They said I wouldn't rev it. My mom didn't raise a bitch. I think my Prius is louder.
Yeah, probably.
You gotta sit.
No, we're good.
You gotta sit. Savage. You gotta sit. Hold on.
Better not ding that door.
Excuse me, peasant. Oh my God! All right. Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Okay, so so I think you started already, right? So just foot on the brake, that normal, and then just to put it into gear, you just pull the up paddle towards you.
Okay.
And the parking brake will all go away. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty.
Okay. Oh, that makes my Prius back there feel slow.
You know, hit red line, it'll go like all the red LEDs, and then it'll hit the blue.
Okay.
For upshift, so it's kind of cool on the video. It'll be like, maybe hit one more. Maybe even one more.
So first?
Yeah, just floor it then.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! And I saw the headlights sitting to the right.
Yeah, I know. I saw that too. I used that couple.
Yeah, I thought it was a cop. Oh my!
You're good.
But I felt the tires break loose a little bit.
This thing is
What? This is crazy, dude.
But the crazy part to me is that it still gives you that performance, but it's still really comfortable.
Like it
I
feel,
mean,
yeah, like it doesn't feel like we're like going that fast.
Yeah. The tires recently, so that's the one thing that you can tell for sure, but we figure we might as well drive the shit out of them and replace them at the end.
Right. Can I go down one more?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go as many as you want.
Oh my God. This is... It just keeps pulling! It just keeps pulling!
Yeah, dude,
Oh my God. That was kind of wild. That was kind of wild. We were doing 125. That was so fast.
Windows are
Dark.
Carl, this pool's like a Hellcat, dude.
Oh my God. We're going to jail tonight. Wow, oh my God. That's a smooth 130, baby. That's crazy. That's absolutely
Yeah, I know, this thing, it puts down the, I mean, I still feel like 130, it's comfortable, and I'm like,
yeah,
I'm like if it's something we might disintegrate, but I'm comfortable, so it's all good.
Oh my God, it takes so long to get the 130 in my car. Really,
steering, yep.
It's really like weird, like.
It seems like it feels light on its feet, but then as soon as you move the wheel, you actually feel like the turning. So you have to, it's a weird steering sensation on this car.
That's where we do our races.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
So you're doing 120 real quick, baby.
That's sick. Absolutely sick. Like.
Look up. Shit, yeah.
We're gonna go straight. But can I please get a yarn? Can I please get a yarn? Oh. Oh my God! Oh, watch out, man. Oh, Lord. Oh, good looks. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, let's not die. Yeah! Yeah! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Let's go, baby! Oh!
Hey! My man, legend.
Hey, go right! Yeah. Hey Dan, you going straight? Yeah. Can I get a yarn? Can I get a yarn? Oh, y'all motherfuckers is tired, huh? Yo, your forefathers didn't die for you not to jump. Jump. Excuse me, brothers. I gotta catch him dying. Yo, you got health insurance, B? Because you know we don't have free health care, so.
Yeah, your man is
Yeah, it's TJ Baller! It's TJ Baller! Yo, TJ, sign my left titty.
Everybody just got you on camera being a pussy.
You are TJ Baller.